Ramanujan for G is now available on the Google Play Store. Try it out for free.
Okay, so in this today's lecture, we are starting a solved example for the quadratic equation, right? Notes we have covered earlier this lecture. So today I will do some problems regarding the quadratic equations. Okay, so just try to solve it out. Let me know screen is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the first example, like if R and S are positive, then the roots of equation, let me write the equation. You want all the questions to write me here, or just I will speak and you will write? Okay, let me write the question. So if R and S are positive, okay, so then roots of equation x square minus rx minus s is equals to 0 r. Okay, so first option is imaginary, second one is real and both positive. Third option is given to us like real and opposite signs. And the last option is real and both negative. Okay, so now we have to solve this question. Okay, so first what we will do, basically we will have to find the discriminant of this, right? So for discriminant, we know b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 if r and s is greater than 0, right? So let me write it here. Discriminant. Okay, so it will become b square means this is equals to r square plus 4s, which is greater than 0, right? So here we have got like r and s both are greater than 0. Both are greater than 0. So roots are real again, like roots are real. So a is equals to 1, which is also greater than 0, and c is equals to minus s, which is less than 0. Okay, so signs are opposite. Signs are opposite. So roots are real and signs are opposite. So option will be third. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you want to copy this?
I'm wrote.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so we are moving to the next question now. Question number 2. Okay, so like first let me write the question here. If A is less than B, is less than C, is less than D, this condition is given to us. Okay, so then roots of x minus A, x minus C plus 2, x minus B and x minus D is equals to 0 are. Same options are real and equal, real and unequal, next is like third is imaginary, and fourth one is let it be rational. Okay, so now let we will solve. So discriminant will be A plus C plus 2B plus 2D whole square, and this will become minus of 12, and here AC plus 2BD, right? You have to expand this first, okay, then you will get this. Okay, so from here you will get, now you have to expand this, so we will get A plus 2D minus C plus 2B whole square plus 4 of A plus 2D C plus 2B minus of 12 AC plus 2BD. So you can write it here, write it. It is A plus 2D minus C plus 2B square plus 8 of C minus B and B minus A. Oh, sorry, it will be D minus A here. D minus A. Okay. So these are what we have got from here. These are different, and the roots are real. It is greater than 0. So our answer will, and signs are also changed. Same this one. Okay, so our answer will be second. Roots are real and unequal. Okay, so the next question. This is an important question. Okay, so for the equation, for the equation 1 upon x plus a minus x plus b is equals to 1 upon x plus c is given. Okay, so we have to find if the product of roots is 0, then sum of roots is option will be like first 0, second 2ab by b plus of c, third one is 2bc upon b plus c, and last option will be minus 2bc upon b plus of c. So now we will solve this problem. Okay, so what the function is given 1 upon x plus a minus 1 upon x plus b is equals to 1 upon x plus of c. This is given, right? So from here we shall conclude like these both are equals to 1 upon x plus c. Okay, so means if we talk like here c will be always greater. If you notice both the side LHS and RHS, so here c will be always greater, right? So now we will write b minus of a x square plus b minus of a x plus ab, which is equals to x plus c. Okay, so now we will solve. So it will become x square plus a plus b to x plus ab is equals to b minus of a x plus b minus of a into c. Okay, so let me solve it here. So it will become x square plus 2ax plus ab plus ca minus bc is equals to 0. So product of roots is 0, okay, which is given here. Product of roots is 0. So it will be AB plus CA minus BC is equals to 0. So A is equals to BC by B plus C. So the sum of roots is equals to minus 2A. So it will become minus 2BC upon B plus of C. Minus will become here and 2 will be added. So our answer will be 4. Have you copied this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sum of it.
Sorry, it's not audible. Can you repeat this? Or we will move to the next problem. Okay. Next question. The value of m for which one of roots x square minus 3x plus 2m is equals to 0 is double of one of roots of x square minus x plus m is equals to 0 is equals to 0 is, so this we have to find. Okay, so options are 0 comma 2, second 0 comma minus 2, third one is 2 comma minus 2, and fourth is none of these. So to solve this question, what is the condition given here? Like one of roots is double of other. Okay, so let alpha be roots for x square minus x plus m equals to 0, right? So 2 alpha will be roots for x square minus 3x plus 2m is equals to 0. So this condition is given, right? So now put the value of alpha in both the equations. Okay, so you will get alpha square minus alpha plus m is equals to 0. And in second you will get 4 alpha square minus 6 alpha plus 2m is equals to 0. Right? Now compare the terms. Okay, so alpha square by m is equals to alpha by minus m is equals to half. So here it will be m square is equals to minus 2m. So m will be 0 and the other one will be minus of 2. So second will be our answer. These are actually very easy problems. Okay, so once you will go through the notes or the previous recorded lecture, you will get this all easy. Next question, like sum of all real roots, sum of all real roots of equation is given mod of x minus 2 whole square plus x minus 2 minus of 2 is equals to 0 as. So option 1 is 0, option 2 is 8, option 3 is 4, and the option 4th is none of these. Okay, so we will solve. So here, you know, the modulus condition is given. So there will be two cases. Okay, so first we'll move to the case 1. First we'll move to the case 1. Okay, where x minus 2 is greater than 0. This we will take. X minus 2 is greater than 0. So putting x minus 2 is equals to y. So y we will take as condition given, y is greater than 0. So x is greater than 2. We will take this side. So x is greater than 2. So it will become y square plus y minus 2 is equals to 0. So y we will have two roots, minus 2 and the other one is 1. Okay. So what will be the roots for x? So if you put the y values here, so we will get x as 0 and 3. right? So, but we know this 0 is less than 2. So, hence, x equals to 3 is real root. This one. X equals to 3 is real root. This is our first case, right? So, one root we are coming up with 3. Now, case 2 we will solve. Case 2, which is x minus 2 is less than 0. So we will write here x is less than 2 and y is less than 0. So equation will be y square minus y minus 2 is equals to 0. So roots will be y is equals to 2, and if you put minus 1, yeah, y is equals to minus 1 also. So now put these values to here. So you will get x is equals to 4 and x is equals to 1. Roots for this x values. Okay. So we know since 4 is less than 2, this is not. So we'll cancel out this root, and x is equals to 1 is real root. So we will consider this one. Okay. So what was the question? Sum of all real roots. Okay. So it was asking sum of all real roots. So sum of real roots will be 3, this, and here we get 1. So it will be 4. So option number 3 is the correct answer. Okay. So today we have solved these problems, basic problems actually. So now you want to me to solve the next JEE past year's question, or will start the new unit because you are joined today. So what you want? Okay, so new unit we will start in the next weekend. So today I'm already late. So now join the next class which I am taking, definite integrals.